Welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to set up biometric security on Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. Launch the Unstoppable Crypto Wallet on a device. Here, type in the credential for login. Now go to the Settings tab, which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, click on Security tab. Now you can see your biometric as Face ID. If you have fingerprint, you can see Touch ID option. Here, click on the drop down and click on On button. You can also put this in a manual mode, where you will get a button to scan your Face ID. Or if you put on, it will automatically scan for login. Now exit the settings and close your application. Test the biometric feature by closing the application and reopening it. Click on Allow. You should be able to access your wallet using Face ID or Touch ID without entering a passcode. Your Unstoppable Crypto Wallet is now secured with biometric authentication, providing you with a quick and secure access. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.